The overall rate of progress of the East Coast Rail Link project has reached over 56% as of November. Transport Minister Anthony Loke said the progress of the mega project is in line with the project's completion schedule from Kota Bharu, Kelantan to the Gombak Integrated Terminal in December 2026. He said the project has entered a new phase of construction early this year, involving the installation of flyover beams and the construction of the train stations and depots. Soon, the ECRL project will involve the construction of the electrification, signalling and telecommunication systems for the operation of the passenger and cargo trains. The ECRL is scheduled to be operational in January 2027.
Projek ini apabila siap kelak, dia bukan saja boleh membantu membawa penumpang untuk menyelesaikan isu-isu masalah-masalah perjalanan panjang dari Pantai Timur ke Kuala Lumpur, tetapi ia akan membantu pembangunan perindustrian, pembangunan pelancongan dan pembangunan wilayah di Pantai Timur ini. Jadi ini adalah satu projek yang cukup penting bagi kita dan Kementerian Pengangkutan akan terus memainkan peranan utama untuk pastikan projek ini siap mengikut jadual.
Loke said this at the ceremony to install the first ECRL track at the Section 10 ECRL station site in Gebeng, Pahang on Monday. He said so far 23,000 workers are involved in carrying out work at 1,900 construction sites along the alignment, while 26 tunnels have been excavated through the use of drill and blast methods. The Yang di-Pertuan Agong Al Sultan Abdullah Riayatuddin Al Mustafa Bilal Shah, who was accompanied by the Raja Permaisuri Agong Tunku Aziza Amina Maimuna Iskandaria, officiated the ceremony to install the first ECRL track.